Over in Long Island City is a highly acclaimed Mexican restaurant.
Today is one of the coldest days and we've been cooped up for weeks. And we really want to get out before the biggest snowstorm comes. I've been wanting Mexican food for a while, and Casa Enrique rose to the top. It was the first Michelin-starred Mexican restaurant in New York City, but lost its star in 2023. However, in a city with so many award-winning restaurants, let's find out if Casa Enrique can re-earn its star.
As soon as they brought us to the table, they gave us a bowl of chicharrones de harina with 3 sauces: tomatillo,
It's like shrimp chips.
pancetta,
Getting more spicy.
and chili diablo.
You think this is really spicy?
These reminded me of the shrimp chips that you get from a Chinese restaurant.
Let's try it out. Oh. Yeah, that has a kick to it. Ooh.
It's like the back of your head.
Yeah, that's good.
And it got our appetites going as we reviewed the menu. Everything sounded amazing. The kitchen, and even though we were at the first seating, the smells from the kitchen were intoxicating. And I can't wait for our dishes to arrive. As we wait for our dishes, I love that Cosme Aguilar's restaurant still proudly displays the Michelin stars. The establishment has a simple layout with a fully stocked bar in the center of all of it. I watched the bartender pour my horchata.
Cheers.
And the cinnamon was the perfect amount.
Yeah. This is like a dessert drink. Very sweet. You taste the cinnamon. And it's refreshing at the same time.
Even though it was cold outside, this chill drink was terrific.
What do you think?
It's sweet.
Sweet. Not expected. I thought you had it before.
I know. I don't usually drink. This is better tasting one. The others in the past are like, I take one sip and I'm like, nah.
Alright.
Soon after, they brought out one of the specials, the Aguachile de Camarones, a Mexican shrimp cocktail ceviche. Before I describe this dish further, can anyone guess the unexpected ingredient that is not commonly used in Mexican food? Before I reveal it, can anyone guess what it is in the comments below?
Avocado also. That's what I forgot to ask. Get the guacamole too.
It's not gonna work.
What do you think?
Soy sauce is very strong.
Oh, there's soy sauce in it?
You said it.
I didn't hear.
It's different than other ceviches. It's very spicy.
It's interesting. Avocado's fresh. Let's see. Hopefully it's messy. There we go. Cheers. Was not expecting the soy sauce.
A little too overpowering, I think.
It's good, but I'm thinking maybe more traditional. That's what I'm thinking of.
Yeah.
Which is causing confusion.
As you can see, this dish comes with avocado, cucumber, tomato, onion, radish, and cilantro, with a side of tortilla chips. Just recalling the lime juice that cooked the shrimp, that acid is making my mouth water. However, what made me pause for a moment was the use of soy sauce, bringing an unusual component that brings a complexity that levels up this kind of dish. While the server asked if we wanted more chips, there was nothing really left to scoop up. We ate it all. One excellent start for brunch. And the flavors makes me want to order this again. Our mains arrived and we started with a carne enchilada de puerco tortas. The bread smelled amazing. Then biting into the pork that was marinated in guajillo and topped with beans, avocado, onions, tomato, and queso Oaxaca, and mayo.
Flavorful.
Very tasty.
It's a good sandwich. So I get part of the sandwich because Irene doesn't want to share.
The first bite of the savory pork, tomato, and mayo combo reminded me of a BLT. But as I chewed, the beans, avocado, queso, and the guajillo marinade was a little sweet and a little heat makes this like no other ordinary sandwich. I'm glad that Irene ordered this one. Would you as well?
Shouldn't show with your mouth full.
Combination of flavors is really good. It's me. Thank you.
My entree looked unique, as the main ingredient of the carnitas was inside a pint-sized copper saucepan.
Thank you.
Don't you love fresh corn tortillas? I tried to remember what the server said about the marinade, and thank God I asked her to repeat the specials again, because I could not remember what the marinade was made with, and it was garlic, onions, oranges, Negromortello, beer, and Mexican Coke. While I was not planning on assembling my meal, I started to build my pork shoulder taco with the 4 sides that surrounded the copper pot. I added the pickled onions, carrots, red pasilla, and green tomatillo. As I finalized the taco, I was confused with the carrots.
So I made the frying. Which is better? Yeah, exactly. Which is better?
It's like a burst of flavor.
Yeah, it's really good, right?
It's really good.
Want to share?
I think
Yeah, well, that's all right.
But I moved forward with my first bite. The pork was so tender, moist, and tasty. While I was not confident with the carrots, they really made a positive difference of this dish. As usual, Irene liked what she ordered more, and I backed my choice as we headed towards dessert. The server returned and asked if we wanted a dessert menu. I replied no thanks and requested the traditional tres leches and the flan. Without hesitation, we slid our spoons down the pastel tres leches for the perfect sized bite. What stood out was that the sponge cake was saturated in the liquid made with condensed milk, evaporated milk, and table cream, but still held up as a cake.
So what do you think? Not too sweet?
Not too sweet.
I mean, it's good.
It's good.
It's a testament to the pastry chef's skills that could have easily crumbled apart with that much liquid. And the goat milk caramel drizzle on top was lighter than your ordinary caramel. Now for the flan. Will it live up to the custards of the past? What I could say is that was just excellent.
That one's good. I like this one better. That's mine. It is mine.
Can I order another?
All right, go ahead.
Sticky.
It's flan. Out of the two, which one's better?
Very, very creamy. I like this one better.
Okay, you like that one better.
As we wrapped up on the sweets and thinking about Casa Enrique should have lost its Michelin Star or maybe re-earn it, with tax and tip, the check came to $159.56.
Okay, we just finished our brunch at Cafe Enrique. We're now at the Brooklyn Museum, walking around because it's freaking cold out right now.
We had a good lunch.
It was a good lunch, right? It was a good brunch.
I would go back.
I would definitely go back.
It's very flavorful.
I think Chef Cosme Aguilera really did a good job, and he shouldn't have lost that Michelin Star, I think. You know?
See why they're Michelin Star.
Yeah, I mean, it's probably more of a regular menu now instead of like maybe a fine dining. We did go during brunch, so we didn't go during dinner, which might have had a slightly different feel to it because we went during 11 o'clock and it was very bright, which I wanted to make sure I could take some video. I really enjoyed it. I was surprised with the ceviche. The soy sauce vinaigrette was surprising. I wasn't expecting it. Like we're in a Mexican restaurant. I'm not thinking of Asian flavors. And I think the first bite was interesting. The second bite was better because I put the cilantro on. I don't know about you, but I really enjoyed that much. I ordered the specials, which was the ceviche and the pork shoulder, which I really enjoyed it. I think Irene enjoyed it too. I think she liked my dish better than her sandwich. I mean, the sandwich was good.
I enjoyed my dish.
Yeah, so.
Not really a taco person, so that's why I didn't think I would like it, but the flavors were really good.
Yeah, and I think we really enjoyed the dessert. So, like, and her birthday, right? And tres leches, the milk was soaked into the cake, and then the flan was really, I thought I enjoyed the flan a lot. So
It was good. It was good.
yeah, so
Definitely would go back.
I
Definitely would recommend it.
Yeah, and I would give it 2 no eats. Definitely worth going back and planning around your day in the city, especially in Long Island City. It was the first restaurant that brought a Michelin Star to Long Island City back
I can
when.
see how.
Yeah, right? But they lost it back in 2023. You know, it is what it is. I think Michelin stars come and go, but I think he's kept his quality up, and I greatly appreciate having the time to go there, So definitely like this video if you haven't already. Just subscribe and make some comments below where we should go next. Anything else?
Enjoy your day.
Bye-bye.
Please enjoy the other videos that are popping up for you. And remember to subscribe, like, and comment to help others enjoy my videos.